We live in an increasingly virtual world. All functions that can be outsourced, have been outsourced, or are being outsourced rapidly. The gig economy is well and truly here and having an impact. But we must pause, reflect, and ask ourselves some questions. How has the shape of our business changed over the last 10 years? And how will it change over the next 10? Also, what is the ideal shape for a modern business? At BizCubed, we have a take on this. We see businesses as decision factories. And if you view your business as a decision factory, the making of the decision becomes an extremely important activity. The quality of decision making becomes pertinent. The pace at which you make the decisions becomes important. It also becomes critical to increase the number of people that can participate in the decision-making process. Decision-making factories are adept at many facets of decision-making. They correct poor decision-making quickly before those poor decisions create bigger problems. Does your business have an andon cord? An andon cord is the name of the rope in Japanese auto manufacturing that allows anyone on the line to stop the manufacturing process to fix poor decision-making in real time. To do this effectively, people must have the ability to recognize poor decision-making. They must have the tools and ability to fix the poor decisions, and most importantly, the organizational culture and support to do this in real time. So, what is the quality of decisions in your business? Is it excellent? Is it good? Average? Poor? How many people in your organization make decisions? Is it the right of the select few in leadership and management positions? Or is each and every team member empowered to make decisions? Is your organization a decision factory? At BizCubed, we help organizations make better decisions. Contact us, allow us to demonstrate how we can take you on the journey of becoming a decision factory.